Yeah. All right, so he left, but you can see that. Hey, get! Maybe he didn't leave. Maybe he's still eating out of our damn trash can. Okay, so the bleach didn't work. Get, bear! We're gonna go back inside where it's safe. Bye. So I literally put the trash in the trash can, poured the bleach on it, went out back, brought the laundry in. I was inside folding the laundry when I heard the bear turn the trash can over. You heard me yelling at it. It didn't do anything. The bear wouldn't leave. It looks like it took the trash bag with it somewhere, but I am not checking until the sun is up tomorrow, because I'm not crazy. Okay, so last night I did that video showing you guys the precautions I take when I have to take the trash out at night, and how I poured the bleach on the trash to keep the bears away from the trash. And then, I mean, literally, I'd gotten the laundry in and I was folding the laundry, and the bear tipped over the trash can and it dragged the trash over here to the side of the road. So at least it's practicing road safety, right? So it tipped the trash can into the road and then dragged it over here and tore it apart and ate what it wanted to eat. Ate what it wanted to eat. How about that? It ate what it wanted to eat, and then it left. And so now I'm here to clean it up. That's just the way it goes.